Hi guys, today we'll do kunafa together. We'll see how it goes. We just cut the kunafa like that by hand, by our hand. Put butter on it. It takes a lot of butter. Don't be shy with the butter. Put it all. And we try to cover it all with butter. Be sure it's all covered. It will be like wet, like that. And that's it. We'll bring our tray. You will find this in any Arabic store. It looks like that. We'll do again some cutting, and we take half. We put it in our tray like that, and here we prepare some raisin with almond, with two kind of raisins, black and golden, with coconut, with pistachios, and some sugar, and we put it in the middle. Very easy to do it, nothing there. Like that, cover it all. More here. Very nice. And we come with the other half, we put it up here, cover all the middle. And that's it. This is the kunafa. We put more. And we need to cut it before we put it in the oven. Just a minute.
A few moments later.
You can cut it small pieces, you can cut it squares, whatever you want. Very delicious, very nice treat. Like that. Or you can cut it when it comes from the oven. It's okay. Maybe we need more. I will put the rest of the kunafa. We'll put it in the oven for 400, and you keep your eye on it because it's very easy to burn. And shut it. Here we do the syrup for the kunafa. I just put 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons from lemon, and we leave it for a while, like half an hour, until it became syrup. And we put it after the kunafa come from the oven, very hot, and this one must be hot too. And that's how it looks like when it came out of the oven. This is hot, the syrup is hot, and the kunafa is hot too. We just take some like that and put it all over. Be sure it's all covered. Did you hear the sound? Both must be hot, the syrup and the kunafa. Very delicious, sweet, very nice. In any birthday you can make kunafa, any vacation, any feast. It's very lovely. Everybody loves kunafa. I can't wait to taste it. We'll taste it together. Take a little piece. Just gloves. Very hot, like right now, very hot. But I can't wait to taste it. So I will take a little piece. Wow, it's like golden. Put it here. Now, moment of truth. Yummy. It's not too sweet, not it's delicious actually. Wow, lovely. Try it, guys, and tell me what you think about the kunafa. Yummy.